Wondered how some faceless YouTube channels rake in six figures without showing a single second of their face? In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on hidden strategies and fresh ideas that skyrocketed channel to 123K in just 5 months. These YouTube channels are achieving astonishing milestones. And by milestones, I don't just mean their view counts. Let's take a closer look. The first channel, launched just this past September, has already amassed over 200 million views and gained an impressive 502K subscribers. But that's not all. The second channel on this list, also launched in September, has accumulated over 108.5 million views and gained 278K subscribers. But what's even more incredible is the third channel. It started just this past November and has already garnered an astounding 162.4 million views with an impressive 293K subscribers. Now, assuming an RPM of just 0.06 per thousand views, but must choose voiceover. This channel could be earning close to $5,000 per month from its shorts alone. And remember, this is a channel that posted its very first video less than 3 months ago. Take a look at just one of their videos, and you'll see exactly what. I mean, it's almost impossible to scroll past when you see these injured animals. The emotional appeal results in millions of views for their content. If you're curious about how these channels are achieving such extraordinary numbers, the answer is surprisingly simple. They're creating animal rescue videos like these using AI. And the best part? People absolutely love watching them. I've already posted a detailed video on this topic where I reverse engineered a rescue channel, generated ideas, crafted titles, and much more. So after watching this video, make sure to check that one out as well. For this video, I used alternative prompts to make it even more insightful. All I ask is that you stick around until the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit those awesome buttons like subscribe and maybe leave a kind comment below. This is going to be an in-depth tutorial, so I'll be sharing every prompt and all the resource files through the Learnify AI website, accessible via the link in my channel's About section. You'll also find the link in the video description and on my channel pages. Let's get started. The first step is to create your channel. If you've done this before, you probably already know how, so feel free to skip ahead to the next chapter. However, if you're new to creating a channel, here's how to do it. Head over to YouTube and click on your profile picture. From there, select Switch Account and then View All Channels. Next, click Create New Channel, and you'll be prompted to choose a username. If you already have a name in mind, go with it. But if you don't, ChatGPT can help. Simply prompt it to generate channel name ideas, taking inspiration from the 3 channels featured in this video. ChatGPT will give you a list of creative suggestions. If none of the initial names stand out to you, just regenerate until you find the perfect fit. Once you've chosen a name, paste it into YouTube and create your channel. Next, you'll need to write a channel description. You can do this yourself, but if you want a little help, ChatGPT is a great tool for generating a concise, engaging description tailored to an animal rescue channel. Keep it short and compelling. Most viewers won't spend much time reading long descriptions. With your channel set up, the next step is to optimize it by adding tags. Tags are essential for improving your channel's SEO, which will help it get discovered more easily and attract more viewers. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is what helps your channel appear when people search for specific keywords. To optimize your channel, add relevant tags like animal rescue, animal video, wildlife rescue, or any other phrases that align with your niche or channel theme. A quick tip: avoid using unrelated keywords. Not only is it ineffective, but it can also negatively impact your SEO. Additionally, make sure to select the appropriate category for your channel. For this type of content, you'll want to choose the Pets and Animals category. Next, you'll need a logo and banner for your channel. Don't overthink this. Something simple will work perfectly. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for designing a logo that fits your channel's theme. If you're on ChatGPT's Plus plan, you can generate the logo directly. However, I prefer using Piclumen for logos. Simply paste the prompt, set the aspect ratio to square, and hit generate. Within a couple of minutes, you'll have several options to choose from. Take a look at the results. Any of these designs would work well, but I'll go with this one. The final step is to create a banner. Start by grabbing a simple prompt from ChatGPT tailored for your banner design. Then, head over to Flux Ultra. Paste the prompt, set the aspect ratio to landscape for the banner, and hit generate. Flux Ultra will create several amazing images for you to choose from. Once you've downloaded a design, use your preferred image editor to make adjustments. Free tools like Canva work perfectly for this. It's an excellent and user-friendly option to finalize your channel banner. Now, upload your banner image to Canva. Make sure to scale it to fit the project dimensions by simply dragging the corners and centering it. Once it's positioned perfectly, use the text tool to add your channel name. Feel free to customize the design, but once you're satisfied with the final look, export the banner as a JPEG or PNG file and upload it to your channel. Just like that, your channel branding and SEO setup are complete. Now comes the fun part: creating content. The first step is to come up with a video idea. While I'll show you how to use AI for this, nothing beats the creativity of the human touch. Try brainstorming some interesting scenarios or unique concepts yourself. However, if you prefer using AI, ChatGPT is an excellent tool for generating ideas. To make things easier, I've already prepared a few prompts to help you come up with some amazing ideas. You'll find everything on the Learnify AI website. Once you've accessed the file, copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit generate, and ChatGPT will deliver a variety of creative ideas, already structured for you. Browse through them and pick the one that resonates with you. If you're not completely satisfied with the suggestions, you can always regenerate, as many times as necessary. For this video, I asked ChatGPT, if you were human, which topic or title would you choose first? Based on that, I decided on a topic. The next step is to create the prompts you'll use to generate the images for your content. You can complete this process manually, but ChatGPT can make it much easier. Start by heading over to the Google Doc and copying the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and customize it by replacing the placeholder text with the details of the idea or title you want to use. You can even use your own idea if you prefer. Once you've updated the prompt, hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate the image prompts for you. As you'll see, ChatGPT can create a detailed set of prompts, often up to 16, that correspond to each stage of your story. While the prompts are generally well structured, you may need to tweak them to better reflect your vision. If you're looking for a script for each scene, you can ask ChatGPT to generate one by simply requesting, "Give me the script for each scene." Once you have the scripts, save them to a document file for later use. The next step is to generate your images. If you have access to paid tools like ChatGPT with advanced image generation, Ideogram, or Midjourney, these are great options. On Ideogram, for example, you can generate up to 10 images per day per account, even on a free plan. However, if you're looking for a completely free option, Piclumen is an excellent alternative. Visit their website and click the Launch button. The interface is user-friendly and similar to other image generators. Simply paste your prompt, expand the advanced settings if needed, and start creating your visuals. Piclumen offers a variety of amazing models to choose from, including Flux 1. While you're welcome to experiment with all the options, for this style of video, the Piclumen Art version 1 works perfectly. Next, select your aspect ratio based on the type of video you're creating. For YouTube Shorts, a 9:16 ratio is ideal for portrait-style videos. However, for this demonstration, I'll be using a 16:9 ratio since I'm creating a landscape-style video. You can also choose the number of images you want per generation before proceeding with the creation process. One of the standout features of this tool is its incredible speed. Compared to most other image generation platforms, Piclumen is lightning fast, producing fully created images in just seconds. The quality is truly impressive, realistic enough to easily pass for actual photographs. Plus, you can tweak the prompts and regenerate as many times as needed to achieve the perfect result. The best part? You can effortlessly maintain consistency across various scenes, which is a game changer for storytelling. Let me show you how. For this demonstration, I'll use a prompt featuring a baby whale interacting with violent storm. Start by pasting the second image prompt. To ensure consistency between scenes, you'll need to paste the seed number from the original image. You can find this by selecting the image, where the seed number will be displayed. Copy the seed number, close the pop-up and paste it into the new prompt before hitting generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have your updated images. Take a look. These images are not only consistent, but also incredibly detailed and lifelike. Piclumen does an excellent job maintaining consistency in both the environment and the characters. You'll need to repeat this process for the rest of your prompts to create a cohesive story. Keep in mind that AI isn't perfect, so you may need to adjust some prompts to achieve the desired results. Now that your images are ready, you can even take things a step further by customizing the faces of your characters or creating multiple consistent characters with this method. To do this, visit the website I'll include in the video description. After signing up, you'll see two main tabs: Swap Faces and Multiple Faces. For this demonstration, I'll show you how to change the faces in an image. In this example, the image contains 3 people. First, upload the main image, and the tool will automatically detect all the faces in it. Next, click on the plus button and upload the replacement image for each face. Once that's done, simply click the Swap Face button. Within seconds, the tool generates consistent characters with the new faces. This method allows you to create multiple consistent characters seamlessly. It's a quick and efficient way to bring your story to life with personalized and cohesive visuals. The next step is to animate your images. You can use any image-to-video generator for this, but for this demonstration, I'll be using Kling AI. Keep in mind that video generation might take some time for free users, so I recommend using Kling AI alongside other generators that offer free credits. To get started, go to Kling AI and select their image-to-video generation feature. Upload your image and paste the same prompt you used to generate it in Piclumen. You can easily retrieve this prompt by clicking the copy button in Piclumen's interface. Once you have the prompt, paste it into Kling AI and proceed with the generation process. Don't forget to upload your other images and include their respective prompts as well. Once your clips are ready, the next step is editing. Since these videos are relatively simple, you can use any video editor. For this demonstration, I'll be using HitPaw Edimaker, so let's dive into it. To add an AI-generated voiceover, click on the text-to-speech option and paste your script into the text box. Since I already have my script prepared, I'll skip the writing step and simply paste it here. Once your script is pasted, choose the language for the voiceover. You can select from a wide range of options, including French, Spanish, German, Russian, Hindi, English, and more. I'll choose English for this video. Next, select the accent. Offers accents like American, Irish, Canadian, and British. I'll go with an American accent for this project. After selecting the accent, pick the use case that best suits your content, such as narrative and story, character and animation, conversational, entertainment and TV, informative, social media, advertisements, or educational content. I'll select the one that aligns with the tone of my video. Next, choose the gender for your voiceover artist, male or female, and select the desired age for the voice, such as young, middle-aged, or older. I recommend previewing a few voice options before making your selection. After listening to several, I've chosen a voice that perfectly matches the tone of my content. Once you've made your selection, click on Generate. The audio will be created in just a few moments. Once generated, you can preview the voice directly to ensure it meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with the result, click on Add to Timeline to incorporate the audio into your project. Now that the audio is added, I'll move on to syncing it with my video. Since my video clips are ready, I've imported them directly from my device. I've carefully dragged and synced each clip to align perfectly with the voiceover. Keep in mind that AI-generated video clips, while impressive, aren't always perfect. You may notice minor flaws in the clips. Simply trim out any problematic sections and review the results. Make sure everything flows smoothly before proceeding to arrange the remaining clips. Trim and organize until the entire video is polished and seamless. Next, let's move to the Text tab. In this section, you can add text overlays and customize fonts. You can write any text you'd like to include in your video to enhance storytelling or provide additional context. After that, head to the Elements tab, where you can add interactive elements like, comment, and share buttons. If you need to add shapes, simply click the plus icon, and they'll be added to your timeline. For example, I've added a shape to strategically cover a watermark. I adjusted its position, forward or backward, until it fit perfectly. To further enhance this element, I added text to the shape, creating a professional and polished look. Next, explore the audio section. Here you'll find a variety of background music and sound effects. Simply select your desired audio, download it, and add it to your video by clicking the plus icon. It's straightforward and enhances the overall quality of your video. Finally, check out the Transitions tab to add smooth and professional transitions between clips. Browse the available options, download the ones you like, and drag and drop them onto your timeline. Additionally, the Filters tab offers a range of effects to enhance the visual appeal of your video. Browse, select, and apply any filter that complements your content. After applying filters, click on Effects to explore and download a variety of effects. To apply an effect, simply click the plus icon to add it to your timeline. Feel free to experiment with different effects to enhance your video and make it stand out. Next, let's move on to subtitles. I'll guide you through adding subtitles to your video. The software will automatically detect the language in your timeline. From there, you can access additional features like Translate. For example, if your video is in English but you want subtitles in French, the software will automatically generate and translate them for you. This feature makes it incredibly easy to localize your content and reach a global audience. Below that, you'll find the Style option, where you can customize the font style and appearance of your subtitles. If you'd like a specific style, Eddie McCour simplifies every step and offers a wide range of features to make your video editing experience seamless. When you're ready to finalize your video, click on the Export button. Ensure the format is set to MP4 for maximum compatibility. Adjust the resolution to 1080p, 2K, or 4K depending on your requirements. For the best quality, I'll select 4K. Next, set the bitrate to ensure optimal video quality and adjust the frame rate to 60 FPS for smooth playback. Once all settings are configured, click Export to start the process. In just a few moments, your video will be ready, exported, in the highest quality. To locate your exported file, click Open Folder. Here you'll find your completed video. Simply play and review it to ensure everything looks perfect. Personally, I find this editing software to be an excellent choice for a variety of projects. Before we check out the final result, if you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from insights into hidden YouTube automation niches. All relevant links, including prompts and resources, are provided in the description below. I'd also love to hear your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. During my analysis of Learnify AI, I noticed that 86.7% of viewers haven't subscribed yet. If you found value in this video, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with future content. Your support helps our channel grow and motivates us to keep creating informative and engaging videos tailored just for you. Here's the final video.
A violent storm rages over the ocean as a baby whale struggles to survive. Exhausted and alone, its fragile cries are lost amid the roaring waves and wind. The baby whale becomes entangled in fishing nets, its delicate skin cut by sharp cords. It panics and fights to escape, but the nets tighten further. Weak and helpless, the baby whale drifts in the rough sea, battered by relentless waves. The Oddworld Encounters rescue team arrives, their orange boat cutting through the storm. They prepare ropes, medical kits, and net cutters to save the whale. The rescuers approach cautiously. One medic examines the whale's injuries while others prepare tools to cut the nets, working with calm precision. The team removes the nets carefully, applying antiseptic to the wounds. The baby whale remains still, trusting the rescuer's gentle touch and care.
You can watch the full version on the Oddworld Encounters channel. If you're curious about faceless channel ideas that made me $533K in 3 months, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to explore how I made in only 5 days and 86 million views, incredible animal fusion niche, how to make hybrid animals video, click on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.